cut in my eyes, and I don't mind an overstated welcome. And words are ever harder to find, and it sounds like a melody in my ears, like a song that would drive you to tears. I had it for a minute there. It sounds like a song that won't come out, like rain inside a cloud. In the midst of this ride,